English sentences for kids. There is no way to go outside. There is no way to go outside. Where is the duster? Where is the duster? How dare you say that? How dare you say that? Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Whose kid is this? Whose kid is this? What is going on? What is going on? Who is your favorite teacher? Who is your favorite teacher? Respect your elders and teachers. Respect your elders and teachers. Put your books down. Put your books down. Where is your friend? Where is your friend? Don't be late for the class. Don't be late for the class. It is not true. It is not true. Go and sleep on your bed. Go and sleep on your bed. Close the window. Close the window. Switch off the fan. Switch off the fan. Where are my clothes? Where are my clothes? Move forward in the crowd. Move forward in the crowd. Look at the sky. Look at the sky. The moon is shining. The moon is shining. Nobody will go out in the darkness. Nobody will go out in the darkness. Would you like to be my friend? Would you like to be my friend? You may fall. You may fall. You have to calm down. You have to calm down. I borrowed a book from the library. I borrowed a book from the library. Go and attend the class. Go and attend the class. She is looking toward the car. She is looking toward the car. This period is boring. This period is boring. Bring the attendance register. Bring the attendance register. We are not going anywhere. We are not going anywhere. Stop staring at him. Stop staring at him. The homework is very easy. The homework is very easy. Which period is going on? Which period is going on? She is not completing her assignment. She is not completing her assignment. Get up early in the morning. Get up early in the morning. Come inside and sit here. Come inside and sit here. Be aware that you may fall asleep. Be aware that you may fall asleep. I forget my tiffin box at home. I forget my tiffin box at home. What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? I come to school by bus. I come to school by bus. Would you please pack your bag properly? Would you please pack your bag properly? I am writing an essay. I am writing an essay. Please give me a piece of paper. Please give me a piece of paper. She is disturbing me. She is disturbing me. I have hung your shirt here. I have hung your shirt here. Fill in the blanks properly. Fill in the blanks properly. We have to write all the answers. We have to write all the answers. Do you want to be successful? Do you want to be successful? Listen to your elders. Listen to your elders. Put all the necessary books in a bag. Put all the necessary books in a bag. Students clean the school ground. Students clean the school ground. Stop irritating him. Stop irritating him. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. Stop talking in the classroom. Stop talking in the classroom. I want to play with my friends. I want to play with my friends. We will get 10 days of Christmas holidays. We will get 10 days of Christmas holidays. I am getting late for school. I am getting late for school. My father always drops me at school. My father always drops me at school. The last year of school was very fantastic. The last year of school was very fantastic. My friend is absent today. My friend is absent today. Have you got good lessons? Have you got good lessons? Clean the blackboard. Clean the blackboard. What is the strength of this classroom? What is the strength of this classroom? Tomorrow will be a holiday. Tomorrow will be a holiday. What's the homework for today? What's the homework for today? Where are my shoes? Where are my shoes? You are right. You are right. Where is the answer sheet? Where is the answer sheet? Cut your hair and nails. Cut your hair and nails. You don't deserve this place. You don't deserve this place. Bind the shoelaces. Bind the shoelaces. The bird is sitting on the branch. The bird is sitting on the branch. Keep this a secret. Keep this a secret. Shut the door, please. Shut the door, please. Go straight, then take the first left. Go straight, then take the first left. What is troubling you? What is troubling you? Drive the bicycle. Drive the bicycle. Come closer to me. Come closer to me. She was bathing her kids. She was bathing her kids. We are ready to come. We are ready to come. The principal is going to announce something. The principal is going to announce something.